severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until noon. At 11:19 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Elmerson to near Cokesville to near Kendallsville, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Westchester, Norristown, Chester, Pottstown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Youngstown, Downingtown, Coxsackie, Falmouth, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, and Narberth. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 335. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 25. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 15 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 335. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 10 and 15. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 6. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can... The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for South... The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for South Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, East Central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until noon. At 11:32 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Westchester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Westchester, Westtown, Great Idyll, Cheney, Brumel, Powley, Newtown Square, Bryn Mawr, Trout Lake, Radnor Township, King of Prussia, Lima, West Goshen, Malvern, Devon-Bruin, Upper Providence Township, Ardmore, and Chesterville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 328 and 329. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 7 and 15. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until noon for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the east... The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Huntington County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:45 p.m. At 11:57 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Green Lane to near Conshohocken to near Penn's Grove, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Gloucester City, Bensalem, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, Willingboro, Phoenixville, Hinsdale, West Norton, East Norton, Florence, Yadden, Burlington, Bristol, Quakertown, Percy, and Boylestown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5 and near exit 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 324 and 359. Northeast Extension between mile markers 21 and 42. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 37 and 50, and between mile markers 75 and 76. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in... Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay, Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms are located along the line to Greenwich, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing quarter-sized hail in northern Delaware. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts of quarter-sized hail. Are indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Damage. This includes Kansas, Monmouth, Millville, Bridgeton, Gloucester City, Cumberland, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Forney, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Cumberland, Belmore, Woodbury, and Pittman. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 4. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 18 and 39. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 11 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following persons. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay. Coastal waters from Great Bay Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles to 2 p.m. At 12:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Slaughter Beach to 16 nautical miles south of Howard, winds at 25 knots. Active 40 knots and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft, great damage, and slightly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Bang Light, Cape Lopez, East Point, Bowers Beach, Cape May Point, Mike Mall Light, Brandywine Show Light, Wildwood, Overfall Show, Seattle City, Crossland Light. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, in southern New Jersey, Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, eastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Monmouth County County in central New Jersey, south central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Roosevelt to Old Halfway to near Pennsylvania. Power was gusty to quarter-size hail. Source: intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Atlantic City, Long Beach, Asbury Park, Ocean City, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Malapan, Barnegat, Pleasantville, Teton Falls, Hamilton, Beechwood, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, and Margate City. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 8 and 8A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 6 and 34. Northern State Parkway between mile markers 6 and 34. Pacific Expressway between mile markers 12 and 6. On the lowest floor of a building. 16. Severe thunderstorm warning has been sent in New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Salem and Southeast.